Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toilet brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OXO Good Grips Compact Toilet Brush. With this white toilet brush by OXO Grips, cleaning your toilet will no longer be a hassle. Simply and effortlessly, use the 17-inch long white brush to reach even the hidden spots. It comes with a tapered head and firm and strong bristles for eliminating germs, dirt, germs and more. The ergonomic handle is not only easy to hold and soft on the hand but also requires minimal effort. Also included in this pack is a ventilated canister drip tray that allows for quick drying. This brush cleans pretty well, is sturdily built, compact, has good reach and is ergonomic. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mr. Clean 440,436 Toile Brush and Turbo Plunger. Weighing about 7 ounces, this white-blue brush caddy set will make your toilet bowl cleaner and more hygienic. It comes with a long handle for easy reach while the rubber provides a firm grip. The sleek and stylish piece looks good on any toilet or bathroom and is also easy to use and clean. The set features a caddy that comes with a non-slip base for good support and a turbo plunger with a rubber handle. All these accessories will enhance the cleanliness, hygiene, and appeal of your kitchen. This product gets praised for its nice looks, sturdiness, compact design, and good price. A few buyers, however, say the handle isn't very long. At number 3, we have the Interdesign York Toilet Brush. This chrome and stainless steel unit is quite elegant and will improve the toilet and bathroom decor. It consists of a long-handled brush that fits perfectly on both small and large hands. The relatively stiff bristles do a good job of getting rid of dirt, discolorations, germs and other objects while the removable head makes replacement easy. It includes a stylish steel holder for good storage. This brush works pretty well, is ergonomic, and easy to assemble. However, it's a bit pricey compared to others. At number 2, we have the Libman Designer Brush and Caddy. This designer toilet brush comes with a 12-inch long handle and is convenient to clean the toilet bowl. The plastic handle is made from quality plastic that can withstand daily usage while the ergonomic rubber grip provides a firm and comfortable hold. The head contains 103 tufts made from high-grade 1-inch recycled polymer fibers. The bristles easily fit in small spaces and are stiff enough to get rid of the tough dirt and stains. To prevent spillage, this brush comes with a fully enclosed caddy container cup. Its main advantages are quality design, ergonomic handle, good size, and good price. The drawback is the bristles are a little stiff. And finally at number 1, we have the ToiletTree Products Toilet Brush and Lid. The most notable thing about this toilet brush set is its innovative holder that automatically opens when you lift the brush. Not only does this save time and effort but is also more convenient and hygienic. The brush is approximately 11 inches long and comes with a stylish chrome finish. The holder is made from stainless steel and will last for a long time and won't fade, corrode or rust. Consumers appreciate the stylish look, quality construction, easy to use, and durability. Unfortunately, the brush isn't very big. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.